This is just it's a remake of an earlier video, and we're just going to have a look at some of the shapes again. And in the top there is something floating. Actually, it's a chicken's egg with a hole in the bottom, and you know how that works from one of the previous videos, but I'm just using it like a reservoir for the ink. So the ink's going in now. We just want to have a look at the cylinders from the top going down, and yeah, a bit more. And you can see some of the pulsations where a drip's going straight down the centre. There is a bit of distortion from the water running down the side of the container, but you can see at the top it makes this amazing shapes. It's quite hard to see, I know, but let's see, I'm just trying to zoom in a bit here. I'm not sure what it's telling us all, but I just like looking at it at this stage. I think later on, when we learn more, it'll be how we control plasmas or other spinny things. But that's what it looks like at the top. That's good. You can see there's lots of wonderful things going on in there. And of course you can see the upward movement as well. It's not all flowing out the bottom. And well, I call these nested cylinders because around the vortex, the air core, there's not just one cylinder, there are thousands and thousands of them. And it shows very subtle energy changes. Little shimmies, and the outer edge that you can see on there, it wobbles. I just call it the potter's wheel effect because it looks like somebody's fingers running up and down a skinny pot. But it just shows the energy flows up and down. So whatever's going on in there is a lot more complicated than meets the eye, and a lot more interesting, because we spent hours doing this today. You can see a separation between the cylinders and the inner core, because there is a cylinder that follows, or a laminar flow follows very closely the geometry of the hyperbolic for about 1/4 of an inch out on this scale, and then you get the cylinders. So you get this V effect on one side where the nested cylinders meet the inner core on the hyperbolic. But that's the shapes you can see there. I'm just going to zoom out really, and all this is 5-point injection system just off a tap, and just putting some more ink in there. Oh, it's got a pretty red colour now. We've only been focusing at the top of the vortex because there's just as much going on interesting stuff going on at the bottom. Because it does a little shimmy effect, like it just accelerates, and I've got to explore that in another video later on. Well, thanks for watching.